good morning. We are north of Bakersfield, still in Kern County. I don't know exactly what town or city I'm in, whatever you want to call it. It rained all through the mountains up by, what is it, Tallahassee, whatever the hell you call that. But we're on the 99 northbound. We're about 40 minutes from delivery. And we'll see what we're getting from here. Since putting the cargo net on this canopy, everything's been riding perfectly. No other issues. So we ended up staying there in Barstow. I grabbed a corner spot so I could just pull straight out. Of course, you have the idiots that park in the no parking that, you know, makes it interesting trying to pull out because they're dumb and lazy and they don't want to just park in a normal parking spot. So, yeah, other than that, we haven't had any issues. Just dealing with some heavy, dense fog up in the mountains and the rain. Now it seems like it's gone away, which is good. Hopefully the truck's still clean. And we'll see what we're getting from here. Man, that Pride lot is empty. Anywho, the place we're delivering, just so you guys have an understanding, we're 42 miles from Tulare. He's just down the road from the Pilot, or the Flying J, and the Loves. And if you guys go back way back in my videos, I used to always be here in Tulare. It was like the second most terminal I've ever was at. First probably being Fontana, but yeah, this is the part of California I love, just because all the farmlands and stuff. Say what you want about the whole protest, whatever. My opinion, if you're illegal, you're illegal. For sure, I'm fourth generation in this country. My ancestors came over and had to pay money to get over here. And so, I understand, but at the same time, it's the country, it's the law. Do what you're supposed to do. It just makes it harder for everybody else trying to do it the legal way. And that's where I'm going to end that rant. But yeah, other than that, like I said, we're about 40 miles from delivery. And then we'll see how this goes at the dealership with this canopy. There's not much I could have done. But with that said, we're gonna keep on trucking up to 99, and then we'll see what we get from there. All right, y'all, we are unloaded. It's super tight in here. We're heading down to Port of Long Beach now, and we'll end up picking up tomorrow, heading to Albuquerque. So, with that said, I'm gonna get rolling here, and I'll catch you guys all here in a bit. All right, good morning, y'all. There is we're about to be in the Port of Long Beach. We stayed here last night. That ship just left, and then there was a couple going through last night. hitting their foghorns because, man, it was foggy last night. It was nice though. You could hear the seals barking and, you know, typical sea. It was awesome. But we're gonna wait in line here a little bit, and then it's moving pretty quick though. And then we'll get on our way, get loaded, and then make our way to Albuquerque. These trailers are just insane. I just want to give you a quick video on it. There's a lot of tires on this trailer. I think the front steers and the rear, as you can see, the cab for the rear. So it's pretty cool. I think they can only run at night through here though. So, but just want to give you guys a quick look of it. All right, y'all, we are sitting in this Caterpillar 315G, and I have no power. Disconnect is on. Everything is on. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on. So we're waiting for a mechanic to get here. But it's a gloomy damn day, that's for sure. So we'll get this taken care of, and then I got to drive this over to the ramp and load it, and then we'll get the hell out of here. So I'll catch you guys all in a bit once they get here and get this bastard started. All right, y'all, we are moving now. We're gonna head to the ramp here. Just driving with my feet over here. It's the easiest way for me. That's how you turn it on. Make sure there's no trucks and cars coming. Definitely hard to see out of these bad guys. hopefully you can hear me. This is how I did it. So the blade I put on my blocks, I got an X chain. Then I have X chain in the front, and then I put 2 binders connecting the track. Then I have protection on the tooth. I'm going to tighten that just a little bit. That holds the bucket down and the thing. But pretty easy. She's a heavy bastard, so I'm stopping just to do a load check, go to the bathroom and grab a drink, and then we'll keep on moving to Albuquerque. Alrighty, y'all, we are in the Grand Canyon State now. We are just about to get into Kingman. I stopped at the rest area right there by Yucca at the Flying J there. Did a 30-minute break. I should make it. I might make it to Holbrook actually. That's my goal. That way it will give me a short morning to deliver, and I won't have to worry about too much. And I forgot how bad this road is right through here. That bull hauler in front of me, sorry, livestock hauler, that was one gorgeous setup. I didn't get my phone out in time as he flew by me, but yeah, it is one gorgeous truck. Flat top, paint match, trailer accents. I want to say it's not the turquoise, it's it might even be what they consider legendary turquoise, or legendary teal. It's, like I said, either way, it is a gorgeous truck. But anyways, we're just crossing over the 93 junction here. And I wonder if the guy from USA Truck is videotaping. I don't see him right now. But yeah, anyways, this load is going well. It's pretty simple, straightforward. It's she's a heavy girl. I mean, not crazy. 38,000 pounds. I enjoyed, not that I necessarily enjoy Port of Long Beach, but I enjoy that port because I can sleep right there. So I got woken up by, not really woken up, I was about to go to sleep, I should say, when a freighter was leaving, so he did his horn, his departure, and then you also, when you're standing outside, you can hear all the seals barking away, and seagulls. It's nice and quiet, which is also why I like it. Then you can just crawl in there. But we made it back out of LA pretty easy today, which is surprising. But yeah, other than that, no issues on this load whatsoever so far. There's its older, bigger brother. I got a 350, that's a 335, so. Oh God, I can't wait till this part of Kingman is done. Like I said, we might make it to Holbrook tonight, we'll see. And then we'll deliver there in Albuquerque, which is on the 25 south. Hopefully first thing in the morning, but we'll see. Get around these slow bastards over here. Other than that, we're just gonna get through Kingman, and we'll get through Flagstaff, and we'll see where I end up. I'm thinking probably Holbrook, or maybe even Jamestown. If I can hit Jamestown, that'd be perfect. So, we'll see if I can get there. It just depends on how long it takes me to climb this freaking hill up here, and everything else. So, I'll catch you guys all in here a little bit. All right, good morning. We are just leaving the 19 in Holbrook, Arizona. Gonna turn left here, get blinded by the damn sun to get to Albuquerque and get this delivery done. So, other than that, everything else is going fine with this load. There has been zero issues, thank God. It got cold last night. I try not to run my heat or APU if I don't have to, but man, it dropped down to, I'm not sure exactly what it dropped down to last night, but it got cold, that's for sure. So, and then when the sun's out, it's a beautiful day. You know, thankful for another day on this beautiful planet, and then get to do what I do. We're gonna get down here to Albuquerque. It's about a 3-hour drive, and then we'll deliver and then figure out from there. But I'll catch you guys here in a bit. Alright folks, we're empty. I'm going to put all this stuff away, and I'll see you on the next one.